Happy morning, children. How are you all? Fine, children. Yes. How are you spending your days? Good. Okay. Yes. Now all of you stand up. Yes. We will learn today one more new rhyme, children. Okay. Yes. In the online class, I have taught you hands on your hips. Now shall we do it once more? Okay. Come on. Hands on your hips. Hands on your hips. What is this here? What is this here? This is my head thinker. This is my head thinker. Mummy, my dear. Mummy, my dear. Hands on your hips. Hands on your hips. What is this here? What is this here? This is my eyes here. This is my eyes here. Mummy, my dear. Mummy, my dear. Hands on your hips. Hands on your hips. What is this here? What is this here? This is my nose smeller. This is my nose smeller. Mummy, my dear. Mummy, my dear. Hands on your hips. Hands on your hips. What is this here? What is this here? This is my mouse speaker. This is my mouse speaker. Mummy, my dear. Mummy, my dear. Hands on your hips. Hands on your hips. What is this here? What is this here? This is my bread basket. This is my bread basket. Mummy, my dear. Mummy, my dear. Hands on your hips. Hands on your hips. Head thinker. Eye seer. Nose smeller. Mouth picker. Bread basket. Mummy, my dear. Mummy, my dear. Enjoy, children? Yes. Clap your hands. Very good. Yes, children. In the previous class, I have taught you about the letter A. Yes? We learned about the letter A. And what's the sound of A, children? A. What is the sound of A? A. Say it along with me. A. 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 A is for apple. A. A. Apple. A is for ant. A. A. Ant. A is for arrow. A. A. Arrow. A is for apple tree. A. A. Apple tree. Right? So now we are going to yes, children, come on. Today we are going to write, see how to write alphabet A. Okay? Now look here, I have placed some dots here. So now what we are going to do, we are going to join these dots. Now which line is this? Slanting line. So now we will join these dots also. This is our one more slanting line, children. Now let us join this. This is our sleeping line. What is this now? It is A. What is this? A. Okay? Now see, it's very easy. See, children. Now I am joining this dot with this dot. Yes, one slanting line, one more slanting line, and one sleeping line. It is very easy, okay? This is our capital A. Now, Now check the board. How I am writing. Where am I starting? Yes. So I am starting on first line. Yes. See? And coming to third line, children. Then again from first line to third line. 2 slanting lines I have done. Now a sleeping line on the second line. Yes. So this is our A. It's very easy. Yes. From third line to first line. Again first line to third line. And sleeping line on the second line, children. A. 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 See, from third line to first line and first line to third line. And in between we are writing sleeping line on the second line, children. A. 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 We are using slanting lines and sleeping line. What are we using? Slanting line and sleeping line. We are starting on which line? Third line to first line. And again we are going to third line. A. This is our capital A. A is for apple. Apple. A is for ant. Ant. A is for axe. Axe. Yes. This way you are going to write A. 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 Okay, children. Follow the lines. Third line to first line. Again from first line to third line. All of you open your English classwork book, 4-rule book. First you are going to write like this. In your classwork book you are going to write A. This is our capital A. A. Okay. And you are going to draw a big apple over here. Okay. Draw an apple. Write A alphabet. Draw an apple as we have written on the board. Okay. Next. Now open your classwork. Now we are going to write it in the classwork. See. Check the lines, children. Yes. I am starting from third line. 1, 2, 3. Third line, I am writing slanting line. I am touching the first line. Again from first line, I am going back to the third line. Same slanting lines. I have written 2 slanting lines. Now, on the second line, I am writing sleeping line. Okay? So, in this way, you are going to write A. A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A, children? A. So, remember the lines. Third line to first line to third line. And sleeping line on the second line. A. This is our capital A. 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 Okay. Neatly you are going to write, you are going to cover the page into 3 columns. You are going to divide the page into 3 columns and write A in this way neatly. Yes, children. And on Friday, that is today is Thursday, so yes, by Saturday you are going to show me pictures. You are going to put the pictures of A alphabet. Yes. Yes, in this way you are going to complete 2 pages. This activity, draw dotted apple like this and write small a, capital A in between the apple, inside the apple, okay. Now you are going to join the dots, see, from small a to small a, again small a, again small a. Yes, like in this way you are going to join all the A's written here, small A's. Yes. Now this is our apple, children. Now you are going to, after drawing this, you have to circle capital A. Okay? You have to circle capital A. This is your today's activity. Yes, children. Have a good day. Thank you.